Up to 3 months before the last frost, start your strawberry seeds indoors. Be careful, as the seeds are very small. Plant the seeds in a small pot. Sprinkle the seeds about 1 centimeter apart, and plant them very shallow. Cover them with just a bit of soil, as the seeds need light to germinate. Gently moisten the soil, and wait. The seeds can take up to 6 weeks to sprout. Transplant the seedlings into a larger container or bed, and space them at least 30 centimeters apart. The new container should be ideally, at least 15 centimeters deep. Then water your strawberry plants. These plants prefer consistently moist soils. To get as much fruit as possible, make sure the plants get as much sun as possible. 6 hours of sun per day should be the minimum. Strawberries can encounter some pests like fruit flies, weevils, and slugs. Make sure the plants have good air circulation, are free of debris, and aren't watered overhead. Once the flowers fall off, strawberries will start forming. Strawberries grown from seed will produce in their first year, however, there will only be a few small berries. The next year you will see lots more. Some strawberry plants can survive the winter, but it's best to bring them indoors until spring.